Welcome. In today's guide, you're going to learn exactly how to make your own custom stickers on Telegram. Stickers are one of the most fun ways to express yourself in chats, and the great news is that creating them is much easier than most people think. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own sticker pack ready to share with friends. The first step is simple. Open the Telegram app on your phone or computer, then use the search bar at the top to find a special bot called @stickers. This bot is Telegram's official way to help you create, organize, and publish sticker packs. Once you've found it, tap on it to open the chat. Next, you'll need to start chatting with the bot. You can do this by pressing the Start button at the bottom of the screen. From there, type the command /newpack to begin. This tells the bot that you want to create a new sticker pack. After you send the command, the bot will ask you to give your new pack a name. Choose something catchy and personal. It's the first thing people will see when they open it. Now for the fun part, uploading your stickers. Each sticker should be an image with a transparent background, typically in PNG format. But Telegram also supports WEBP files. When you upload an image, the bot will ask you to assign an emoji to it. This emoji acts as a shortcut, so that when you send the emoji in chat, your sticker will appear in suggestions. You can repeat this process as many times as you like, uploading all your prepared images with their matching emojis. Once you've added all your stickers, the final step is publishing your pack. The bot will provide you with a unique link after you finish. You can send this link to friends, post it in groups, or keep it for your own use. Anytime you want to update the pack later, just return to the bot and add more stickers. And that's it. You've now created your very own Telegram sticker pack from scratch. It's quick, creative, and a great way to make your chats more personal. Give it a try today and surprise your friends with something made entirely by you.